December 27th, the morning after the big blizzard. It appears that we got about 2 feet, but the snow drifts are much more impressive. That one right there is at least 30 from our floor, but if we go out here, it's 36 down to the porch. A 4-foot fence, the snow's up to that on some of these drifts. On the side door, we can't get out because the snow is pushed up against this door from the outside. Of course, it's about 2 feet. And then that drift right there at the top of the stairs is closer to 3. There's the driveway and Caroline's car. Out the front door, this was all cleared out yesterday. It's almost hard to tell where the stairs begin. There's my car. At least 17-inch drift right there. Ugh. And this was all snow blowed out yesterday, and now it's up to my, almost up to my knees. Now it's above my knees. These are all over 2 feet, these sections here. Out in the street, 22 inches in the middle of the street, 21 inches middle of the street, and this was plowed once. Snow up to the top, almost up to halfway up our windows on the second floor. Woo!